Okay, 1, 2, 3. We are now recording on record. Okay, guys, sa ibang subject, ganito din yung ginagawa niyo?
Hindi po, ma'am. Kuya lang po, ma'am, ka, ano. Sa imo lang po, ma'am, kami ga-zoom.
Really? How about in other
Mm.
subject, like other, like G Classroom, I mean,
Ano,
Gmeet, Google Meet?
more on, ano, ma'am, Google Classroom, tapos sponsor lang, tapos, ano, ma'am, ga-lecture kami sa messenger, sa, ano, ma'am, messenger.
Ayoko kasi ng ganun. Ayoko ng ganun. Nasistress ako nun. Ito yung CC102. Mas maganda na lang ganito tayo para online tayo kasi ito yung parang subject na kailangan nyo magbasa ng code, mag-analyze. So, mahirap gawin ng naka-chat or mahirap siyang gawin na naka Google Classroom lang. Mahirap. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. Okay, so yun. Let's start now. Yung tanong kanina, sino yung nagtanong sa akin kanina? Ilak man kang mga nasa messenger. Wait lang.
Si Ikaro ata, ma'am. Si Ikaro.
Oo, yung steps. Guys, try to view this. Try to view online. Ito yung mga recording natin. Para kung may mga tanong po, pwede kayo magtanong talaga as in. Oo. Kasi paabot ng oras pa nag-midterm exam at naka-0, hindi lang cry react. Okay? Welcome 5.0 tayo dyan. Okay? As long as na, hi Sales, as long as na open ako for any questions. Okay? Kung hindi ko man masagot ng diretso at hindi ko hindi clarify, kaya ko kayong balikan. Okay? So, yun. I want you to be honest with me kung nahihirapan or what. Because how much more na yung mas next subject pa. Okay? So, I will share my screen now. Okay, here. Okay, so, pwede po ba magpabasa? Sales, yung, sorry, hindi ko to, di ba napalitan ko to last time? Hindi ko ata na-save. Pwede nyo bang i-drawing sa screen kung ano dapat na symbol dito? Anyone? Pwede, you could use your anecdote on screen. Angelo, pwede bang umutang sa tindahan? Yes. Okay, Aaron, that's correct. Okay, so that's correct, Aaron. Okay, so dito sa sa shape natin, we go to the flowchart. Flowchart, then we look for the terminator. Okay? Pwede ko na itong i-erase, Angelo. So, sa drawing pwedeng bilog pero i-imagine niyo kung ano yung tama po talagang tamang shape. Outline is black. Okay, save ko na. Okay, so terminal, Sales, can you please read this one? Sales, do you hear me? Okay, anyone from the group? Okay, Cabrera.
Ako na, ma'am.
Yeah, who's that? Sino yan?
Ako na, ma'am. Sabi.
Opo, saglit lang.
Aran, ma'am, yung terminal po, ma'am.
Ha?
Aran dyan po, ma'am, yung
Terminal. Let's start with the terminal.
Description.
Yeah, description.
It signifies the start of and end of flowchart.
Children, hindi po ako makakasend ng voice recording ngayon kasi po para medyo mahina yung yung signal ko at yung anak ko nag-online din. Madideplete po yung signal yung bandwidth ko. yung strength ng signal ng internet. So, hindi po ako makakasubmit ngayon ng voice recording. Thus, abangan nyo na lang po yung lecture sa YouTube. Okay? Guys? Okay, thank you po. Bye-bye.
Love you, ma'am.
Okay, so terminal. Terminal. Wait lang. Kuha ka ng papel para ma-identify ko kung sino ang Wait lang. Let me... Okay, so yung kanina is Aaron. Last name Aaron?
Ramirez po, ma'am.
Okay, yung kanina nagbasa sino? Last name?
Rian.
Rian. So, alam mo yung last name ni Rian. Okay. So, terminal, it starts with the end. And with the start and the end of the flowchart. Okay. With this one, guys, ito yung pinupuntok nito, yung step number 1 at yung last step. Okay? But you are going to change the label itself. Okay? Preparation, ito, pwede itong gamitin if we are going to, okay. Example, initialization. Ano yung example ko last time na nag-i-initialize tayo? Ano example ko last time na nag-i-initialize tayo?
Yung 5.
Wait lang. Alin? Anyone? You can,
Changing the US dollar to peso.
Aha, yeah. Okay, so, try ko ang best ko ha dito kasi wala akong sira yung tablet namin. So, start. Imagine that this is the symbol for start, okay? Then, okay, example now, we are going to initialize. Aha. Example, pi. Pwede ba natin gawin si pi?
Opo.
Okay. Oh, my God. Okay. So we could write here. Example to ha. Pi. 3.1416. Okay. Example. Okay. Meaning to say, yung value ng pi is 3.1416. Okay. Next.
Is ano po, ma'am?
3.1416. Ano? Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
O magre-research pa ako para i-prove ko yung sarili ko. Okay, so 3.1416. Okay, ano nga yung kailangan nating i-input? We're talking now. We are now talking here. Okay, we are now using the preparation, initialization. Here on the side, we initialize that the pi is 3.1416. So it signifies the preparation of data, meaning to say, we prepare that the variable pi has a value of 3.1416. Nasabutan. Nasabutan.
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. It is used to select initial conditions. Pwede din. It represents instructions that alters or modify a program's cursor of execution. Ito guys, ito isa din na papakita ko din isang option ha. We could have two options for initialization. Okay, pero pumili kayo ng isa, both naman naiintindihan ko. Okay? So annotation ako ulit. Okay? Pwede po siyang ganito. Start. Okay? Pwede ako dito mag-input. Kasi step number 2 is input, di ba? Usually, 'di ba? Dito in this ano nga yung ano natin dito? Ano yung ating problem? Write an algorithm that
Find the area of circle.
to find the area of the circle. So, naiintindihan nyo, find the area of the circle. The problem is, find the area of the circle. Okay, so here, ano ang ating input? We have two options. We have two options on how are we going to solve it. Okay, so start. Again, imagine nyo that this one is start. Okay, this one is input. Ano ang kailangan nating input? Anong input natin? Ano yung formula natin?
Area of circle equals to pi.
Ang formula is formula is area of a circle is equals to pi
Pi times radius.
times
Radius.
r. Meaning to say, ang input natin si r. Okay, naiintindihan nyo? This is step number 1 is start. Number 2 is initialize the pi value and or get the input for r. Diba? So here we're getting the input
the
for
diameter
r.
of the circle.
Diba ang diameter? Ito, diba?
Diameter. Diameter of
Bakit
the circle.
diameter? Ito ha, ito diba ito si radius.
Diameter.
Tama. Ang buong ito from here up to here is your diameter. Tama po ako? Tama po ba ako? Wait lang.
Yes, ma'am. Sabi ng Google.
Okay. Sabi ni Google. Sino nagsabi nun? Sino nagsabi nun? Last name, please. Nagsusulat ako ng ating tawag na to, recitation. Sino nagsasabi niya na tama si ma'am? Sinasabi niya si Google.
Yan ako, ma'am.
Last name, please.
Icaro. Angelo.
Icaro. Angelo. Tama, Angelo, ha? Baka sabihin niyo pinagloloko ko kayo. Okay, so here, ito yung radius. From here hanggang dito. Ito yung radius. Okay? Yan ang radius. Para makuha natin, i-double tayo yung radius para makuha natin si diameter. Ang diameter naman from here up to here. Okay? Now, we're just after to get the value of the area of a circle. Okay? Ano yung screen ko, guys? Ano po yung screen ko? Ano nakikita niyo yung screen? Ano nakikita niyo yung display ko?
Diameter divide 2.
Okay. Okay. So, nakikita niyo yung module? Nakikita niyo po ba yung module?
Yes po, ma'am.
Erase ko na muna to. Ang formula natin ito. Sino yan? Sino yan? Paki-off po yung audio kung sino man kayo dyan na may mga background na bata. Okay. Okay, so here, pag magsasalita po, saka na lang po mag-on ng audio, okay? Pero yung mga clear naman yung background, okay naman. I encourage you to converse. Okay? Para may reaction naman. Minsan. Okay, again, there is two way, ha? Dito na ako magsusulat. Okay, bakit naka-erase ako? Okay, here, input is R. This is step number 2. Ito po, ma'am, paano to? Paano dito yung initialization? This is your start, ha? We have two options. Mhm. Okay. Okay, so from here, we could be able to get the value of R. And next, process. Ano ang pwede natin ilagay sa process?
Formula.
Formula. Okay. So here, annotation, annotate. We have here the formula. As you can see, lesser words. Okay, masanay na kayo na you could be able to read the symbols itself. Kasi ganito yung exam natin sa midterm. Kailan yung midterm natin? Malapit na, which is on October. Okay, so what is our formula?
Area
Vanessa,
pi times
sino yan?
pi radius.
Pi
Times
times
radius.
Radius.
Okay, ha?
Radius.
Congruency po ng R at R. Okay, then next po. Anong gagawin natin?
And
Okay. I think this is step number 3. Tama ba si ma'am?
Apo.
Okay. Nasa sabutan nyo na, nahihiling nyo ng direction natin. Okay.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
think this is step number 3. Now, what are we going to do? We are now in step number 4. I think we're going to print now.
Print.
What are we going to print?
Print the area.
What?
Print the area of the cycle,
Okay.
of the circle.
Anong ilalagay ko po? Ang ginagamit ko dito, ito ha. Kasi input, output. Nasabutan? Input,
Yes.
output. Naintindihan po? Sales? Mahirap mo mag-ano kasi mouse ang ginagamit ko. Wala akong stylus. Okay? So, ang ginagamit ko dito na symbol is ito. Because it says output or input. So, anong ilalagay ko dito, guys? Ano po ang ilalagay ni
A.
ma'am?
A.
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 Are you sure na hindi area?
Ano ma'am yung
Area, ma'am.
product
A.
of area?
Area.
Area.
Area ma'am na big letter A.
Very good. Because we are now talking here a variable name. Okay? So, kung ano man ang lumabas dito, ano man dito, eto, 3.1416, eto, kung anong nilagay ni user, okay, sabihin natin 2, okay? Eto ang ilalagay ditong value. Okay, substitute the value of R by 2, then compute now, then it will be A. Whatever the result of the computation po, whatever the result of the computation for for A, okay, for A, ilalagay niya, whatever the result of the computation here, ilalagay niya sa A. Ika-catch niya yung value na yon ni A. So, ito. What's next? We are now in step number 4. Now, what's next?
And
End.
Anong gagamitin mo symbol sa end?
yung ano ma'am, ayog sa start po ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, we have here,
E.
terminator. Okay, pakiintindi na lang. Okay. So, dito, okay. Same pa din ba yung nakikita nyo? Anong nakikita nyo ngayon?
Same pa po ma'am.
Same. Okay. Stop sharing. Okay, gusto ko lang, nawala ang aking sinulat. Okay, ulitin ko lang ha. Here, annotate ako ulit. So, yung kanina is start. Okay, that is start ha. Okay, imagine yung start yan na may S yan. Okay? Pero sa exam or sa ginagawa niyo, hindi pwedeng S lang. Okay, so I should start here. Start. Okay, we have here. Other way around, you can have here line. Could have here pi. Meaning to say, we initialize. Pwede tong way na to. Okay. Then we have here input. R. We have here process. Process. Ang process ko is rectangle. A is equals to pi times
A
R.
equal 5 times
5 times
R.
R.
Okay. Then we have output
A.
is A.
Big letter A.
Okay,
A.
then N.
N.
Exterminator.
Okay ha, N. So, etong pi, pwede siyang nakaganitong start. Okay? Pwede itong nakaganito. Sorry. Erase. Pwede itong eto dito. Ang minimin ko po is eto ha. Preparation, initialization. Pwedeng ganyan. Then followed by the input. Okay? And so on and so forth. So, ang gusto kong i-draw dito, pwede siyang naka-broken line or nakaganito. Meaning to say, pag start, meron dito pupuntahan ng value ng pi, then saka pa lang kukuha. Pwede naman ito, from the start, initialize agad ng pi, 3.14. 16. Okay, then get the R, same lang yan. Then sunod na ito. Itong part na to, sunod na. Then sunod na to, then end. Nasabutan.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, let's move. Okay, how about others?
Yes po, ma'am.
Yes
Okay.
po, ma'am.
So here again. So here, decision. Paano tayo magde-decide? A decision, it signifies any decision to be done. So in decision, there are two possible alternative paths. So halimbawa, of course, meron tayong start, blah, 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 input, so on and so forth. Halimbawa, kailangan natin mag-decide. Ang decision, so start again, input, sabihin natin input. Okay, kailangan kong mag-decide if a number is positive or negative. Okay, paano kaya yun? So, input, num. Okay, num yan ha, num. Word num. Okay. Ngayon, magde-decide ako. Anong nilagay dyan ni user? Say, naglagay siya ng 2. Diba tayo, tao? Tayo, tao, diba? We could recognize that 2 is a positive number. Diba? Pero, ang gagawin mo yan na steps para maintindihan. Okay? Ni computer at ilapat mo sa flowchart at gawin mo ng code. Yun. Ang computer po, nakakaintindi siya ng step by step. Tayo, human, meron tayong brain to comprehend. Meron tayong common sense. Okay? Okay. Tapusin ko na muna to and balikan natin. Stop sharing. End ko na muna ha, babalikan ko kayo.